Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to stop story sharing on Instagram. So in the case, you want to go ahead and stop the story sharing on Instagram application. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to stop this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and stop story sharing on a specific post that you have on Instagram, all we need to do this is to tap on the Instagram application. Let's go ahead and tap on our profiles right here. And then let's go ahead and tap on the three lines. And then tap on our privacy settings. Let's go ahead and just tap on account settings and privacy and locate the specific privacy settings that we want to go ahead and edit. Now, what I want to do on here is to go ahead and locate the story settings. So let's go ahead and locate where our story settings is. And if you can't locate where that is under here, what we can do is to go ahead and access our story settings over on the story itself. But you could also go ahead and try it out by doing a quick search of the story and see if you could actually edit your story settings. So in this case, I think the easiest way to do this is to go ahead and locate your story over here and tap on these settings on the top right corner. Next, you could actually go ahead now and tap on the story options and, well, of course, change the option right here. So if you want to go ahead and turn off the story sharings over here, let's go ahead under the sharing option. That's how you guys could easily turn. And then turn off allow sharing to story. Off your story sharing on the Instagram application. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.